Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable dual connection and add second device for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. So right here we have a first device what connected with the headphones and also have an application what called EARFUN Audio, and the second device what do not connected with the earbud. So we need to use an application to enable dual connection. Open EARFUN Audio app, then tap at your earbuds as a device list, and right here you need to scroll down. We have dual device connection, so I have it disabled, and to enable it we need to disable dock, because right now I have a dock, and if I try to enable it I cannot do this. So just go back. Under the dual connection we have Bluetooth audio quality. Tap at this line and then click stable connection first, and then sure. Maybe you have already a dual connection enabled, so then you don't need to disable dock. Okay, here we go. Then let's return to the dual device connection and tap at the slider if the slider have empty background. Now we need to wait a bit. Here we go. Okay, now you have two options. You can click connect new device, or you can put your earbuds and then click connection button. But firstly let's open the Bluetooth on the second device, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and if you have Android you need to click pair new device button at the top if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth as on iOS. Now, or you click connect new device and this earbuds enter to pairing mode, or just put it to the charging case and press and hold connection button at the bottom right here near to USB-C port. We have it until you will see the LED light blinking blue. Here we go. Now tap at your earbuds at the device list on your second device. We have connection, and now it should reconnect automatically, but maybe you don't want to, so let's go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and tap at the earbuds here. And now, as you can see, we have two devices connected with the earbuds. Also, we can go to the application, then to dual connection, and you see that we have both of this phone. So if you don't need, let's say, iPhone, you can just disable it, and then sure. And it disconnected from your earbuds. Then you can tap on it and we should reconnect it, so let's check it. Yeah, and we reconnect this iPhone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.